she's gone. The man of vice out, you know. And a DJ, the man of DJ, you know. The man of vice out, you know. You're listening to Tony Culture Time at TonyCultureTime.com.
Now when the birds are where she used to be,
I want you to log on Mondays from 4 p.m. until 6 p.m. and catch me live. Mondays 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. That's Eastern Standard Time, y'all. Also Wednesdays, I give you a thing called Roots Rock Reggae Radio. On Wednesdays 4 p.m. until 6 p.m. I'm also live on Thursdays from 3 p.m. until 4 p.m. 1 hour, yes. 1 hour of vibes on TonyCultureTime.com. You can reach me at 323-CULTURE. That's 323-285-8873. Email wise, TonyCultureTime@gmail.com. Or just get at me here on Facebook.
Never thought that we would be living that way. All she ever wanted was to be happy. Her mother broke her heart to warm her heart, so she did not stay. Now she's gone, and I'm alone. She will never come back home. Yeah, she's gone.
Know this girl from she black when you see how she brown like what? Leave a Spain from when she up brown like what? Western woman every day I do beat like what? Virgin when they know she a freak like what? Chat bad but nowadays she a speak like what? TV buff no a braces pan teeth like what? Never have no phone no she a tweet like what? She a fly out and fly in regular. Girl you move on. Gone, gone, gone. Nobody can hold her back. Girl you move on. Girl, them gone, 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 gone. You can't hold her back. Hot girl, I move on. Guess what? Boomsy from both beer. Always spot her in a night, never see her in a day. Now she broke out on a street. Left her like Christian mother for the class.
Listen it. Move your body, more and you move your body, girl. Move your body, more and you move your body. Move your body, more and you move your body. Just move your body, line up not the middle, no. Wind up your body, just wind up your body, girl. Wind up your body, just wind up your body. Wind up your body, wind up your body. Just line up not the middle like a person.
Now me check on, me feel the pressure ease up. No more for me life now squeeze up. I say she love me and she gone with G4. Me gonna take it so me have to speak up. There she goes. Like one time love of mine away now. It's good to know she's gone because she was so unkind. There she goes. Love of mine away now. If it doesn't matter what because she's already.
I wanna spend my life with you. I'm so in love with you. So I wrote this one for girl, you make me wanna jump and wave my hands up. You're my boo and that's true. I can't wait to take you up on the top. You are what I be now. Make you smile whenever. You will never be alone. 'Cause I'll always be with you. I'm so in love with you. I wanna spend my life with you.
They never gave a good description. Try to tell me how you look. They said you look just like an angel from a storybook. But an understatement, 'cause my heart is what you took. When you turned around, you captured me with just one look. Baby, those eyes, your eyes, tell every story. In every paragraph, on every line, your name was put. No words just can't describe. Please, won't you show me? I'm waiting until you decide the time is good.
I just think all them and one bad. I just think all them and one bad. You will be
the man, them a bring woman come for we. We wait yesterday, we go rape again today. And then I be asking for the girl them, we say, Mr. Beat your man, I beg you shine the light from the girl them. We can't have a party without them. Ladies, if you feel good, walk
Rock and TikTok with the Asian girls from Antigua, straight to Canadian girls. The best set of girl come from the West Indies. When you see them, the girl there you must squeeze. You want squeeze, now them sweet like honey from bees. So all of me cute girls smile and say cheese.
Around the world, I've seen so many girls, but nothing ever compares to my sweet Caribbean girls. Ooh, they are so fine, and yes, they blow my mind. I gotta get to you.
Come give me the cool and deadly wine. Give me the cool and deadly wine. Baby, look on me when me a look on you. Put your hand them round me waist and give me the cool and deadly wine. Give me the cool and deadly wine. When we leave the club, me now go a yo ya go shine on you a go and
bang girl. People guys hate for something that's good now. The pain of the mind, just go on to you, and me do me, and everything that start out. So wow, you're a pretty little lady, no other girl do the things you do. Enough girl a free-weed, and they wanna be you. Go and let them hate, and me never put no other girl.
And it's the air from your happy, and after your name brand close in your classic. Every week, yeah, girl, and you alone have it. Every month, then you a make the deposit. Hard, look for them can't get a grand. Then have the goodie good off the whole of man. Chat for that can't hold conversation. You have your education, show them wedding band. Are you the video like a shine pan?
She's like a whining machine, yeah. So come move it for me, girl. Come on. The way you wind your waist, it's like you own your space. You're the hottest girl in this place. You make me really want you, yeah. Girl, when you wind your waist, it's like you own your space. And when you make up your face, you make me really want you, girl. Hey girl, I wanna kiss you, wanna be with you. If you and me, girl, I will never diss you. Give you what you want, baby, money not the issue. If you ever said you to be a tissue, be up in the session, make an impression. I ain't the type I just wanna run up in the section.
Summertime is when a party be happening every day. From the early morn till the break of dawn, it's niceness every day. Then we party on, no stress in the world, just dance away. Free up your mind, oh yes, it's summertime. Well, it's that time of the year, school work on clear. Put up your knapsack, put up your gear. Draw for your swimsuit, let down your hair. It's summertime again. And then you take up the lime in car with your friend.
This one's for you. So from your hot time, you got to like that. Let me see you come true. Hey, to all my ladies in the club tonight, wave your hands cause you're doing it right. From your man, I say you're nice, say oh.
Pull it up again, culture. And hard. Really G said that.
Bang, bang, diddly, bang. Pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it.
That's it.
Tony culture.
Like you. Nobody does it better.
And I should say, man, watching our customers represent for Tony Culture, and I show them say, yeah, man, always represent the black woman, I'm always.
This one's for you. So from your hot time, you got to like that. Let me see you come true. Hey, to all my ladies in the club tonight, wave your hands cause you're doing it right. From your man, I say you're nice, say oh. Hey, and all my girls from your nose say you're cute. From your head to your toe, one of the truth. No other chick like you say oh. Because you're independent, so you will make you want the money. You want this, you want that, you cop that's honey. Not to ask nobody, can you get this from me? Cause you got it like that, you got it like that. Step out in the fiction, you know what you are doing. Privilege, girl, you are eye candy number one up in a quad. Just one go astray because you got it like that. So bust your champagne, pop it up, body good, girl. Touch it up, show your diamond. Bring it up, the gym a true, girl. Lift it up, you own your man, girl. Hug him up, full of style. Turn it up, paparazzi up to flash it up, rockstar, girl. Hot it up, hey. To all my ladies in the club tonight, wave your hands 'cause you're doing it right. From your man I say you're nice, say oh, hey. And all my girls from you know say you're cute. From your head to your toe, one of the truth. No other chick like you say oh. You full of style. You make the DJ a holla rewind. 'Cause when you're stepping on the club, me love, you know it's over. Hey, and you're not here when nobody have to say. You just a move on the bubble same way. Take the floor to the front display. Hey, pop your champagne, bust it up, body good. Touch it up, show your diamond. Bring it up, the Jimmy Choo, girl. Lift it up, you own your man, girl. Hug him up, full of style. So turn it up, paparazzi up to flash it up, rockstar, girl. Hot it up, hey. To all my ladies in the club tonight, wave your hands 'cause you're doing it right. From your man I say you're nice, say oh.